All right, here's how you combine menus to get them double-sided with all the information you need. So here I basically have the menu open in Word, and I'm going to keep it there for now. And then I've also opened up the other document in the Adobe program. Um, and all I do here is try to combine these two by basically taking a picture with a snipping tool on your computer. And I click that, and then it's going to give me a little screen that lets me snip it with the little arrows here. I'm just going to snip this one and go like that, and then it lets me just copy that, and I'm going to put it up over here, paste, 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 paste. Looks like Control V. Okay, and it pasted the whole thing, so I need to make sure it's small. So then once it's pasted on there, make it a little bit smaller here. It's hard to kind of navigate in this little screen. Okay, there's page one. Got to make this smaller, sorry. All right, so I pasted it onto this other screen, and it's just a little bit too small there. Let's expand it. There we go. Now it's on the one page, and I can just take the other page. Let's do this. This second page, I'm going to delete this page. Should be delete page. Okay. Now I've got one page of that. Now I need to get the actual menu, right, onto the page as well. So let's just grab the menu page, which is right there. Make it a little bit smaller in Word. So just hitting the small button there. I'm going to do the same thing. I hit my snipping tool. It should come up in a second. Oh, snipping tool. All right, my little menu comes up, looks like that. I'm going to hit new, and I'm just going to snip my menu, take a picture of it. Cool. Right click, copy, get out of there, get out of there. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to create a new page. Let's see here. I shouldn't have deleted the other page, huh? I should have just, let's go file, insert page. I just want a blank page. There we go. I want it before this one though. Okay. So now I have a blank page, and I can just go, Control V, paste it, and now it's there. Perfect. Now I can just go file, make sure that's 2 pages there, file, save as, save it somewhere on my computer. I usually put it under, choose a different folder, gonna browse to my food service folder, and it's gonna be January menu. How's that? Save, and it's done. Hopefully that gives you an idea. If you're looking for that snipping tool, you usually go into your search bar for your computer and just put in snip um, or snipping tool. There you go, and it pops up like as an app. If you can't find it, let me know. That might be some of the problem. Hope that helps. All right.